In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can tune your outdoor images on Snapseed. I'm using this image for instance. Firstly, I'll go to Tools and select Tune Image. Here we can apply some normal adjustments, such as saturation. After you are done with adjustments, press the tick button. Now I'll go to Tools and select Selective. Here we can apply adjustments to selected area. Here I'm increasing the saturation of the sky. Now, to apply some background blur, I'll go to Tools and select Lens Blur. Here, touch the circle icon to switch to Transition Blur. Bring the dot to that area where you want to focus. And then increase the blur strength as you wish. Now touch the upper icon and go to View Edits. Here select Lens Blur. Now start painting over the area where you want to apply the blur. After the process is completed, press the tick button. Now I'll go to Tools and select Glamour Glow. Here I'm choosing filter number 5. Adjust the filter strength as you wish. Touch and hold, see before and after. Now the image is ready to save. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share and comment. This is Kumarami and you're watching Pirate.